Hey y'all, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today, this video is going to be about how to secure your hair at night so that you wake up and look like this. Well, not with the makeup and everything, but your hair will look like this. This works well for body wave and loose wave textures. The hair that I'm wearing right now is from monroemob.com in the texture Monroe Wave, which is the body wave, and my frontal is 16 inches and my bundles are 18, 20, and 22. You can also do this with straight hair textures, but I can say that the straight hair textures do not hold the curls that are in your hair all day long like the wavy textures do. So I do suggest that you use something like a holding spray or something of that nature to help you to keep your curls all day long. But with the wavier textures, all day long you got curls. It literally takes me less than 5 minutes at nighttime before I go to sleep, and probably like 2-3 minutes when I get up in the morning to get my hair to look like this. Like, this video is gonna show y'all how to be slaved every day. So if you'd like to see how I achieve these curls using these purple flexi rods, stay tuned.
So I had to film this video after hours because my child was not going to let me film this while she was up. So this is what my hair looks like after a long day of work and also sleeping on top of it. And so no, China, no, I'm filming a voiceover. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is detangling my hair. I'm just making sure that everything is nice and smooth for the rollers when I get ready for them. And the next thing I'm going to do is take a satin scarf. If it's a brand new scarf, you want to make sure that you run it through the washer, because if it has any dyes or anything on it, it might tint your lace frontal. So you don't want that to happen. And also, don't let your scarf get dirty. Make sure that you run it weekly with your clothing in the laundry so that it remains clean, so it doesn't have any dirt or dust on it, because that can also mess your lace up too, make it looking ugly or whatever. So this is the first section. I'm going to place the purple flexi rod behind the middle of all of that, and then I'm just going to wrap it all the way until it gets to the end. Then I just roll the entire rod all the way into the base of my hair, and I am bending the flexi rod ends forward, and that is securing it. So again, purple flexi rod, middle of the hair, wrap it all the way till it gets to the end, then start rolling it. I'm tucking the end under that part, rolling all the way until it gets to the base of my hair, and you can see I'm rolling away from the face, and then I just bend the flexi rod ends the opposite way of that I rolled it, if that makes any sense. Woo! Jesus, didn't think that was going to be hard to explain, but I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, I'm still rolling it away from the face, and so I do 4 on each side. I do one in the very front, and then one right behind that, then one at the nape, and then one right like above that one, as you can see on this last roller. So once I am done rolling all of this, then it is time for us to put a bonnet on. And y'all gonna be like, what the fuck, when y'all see this bonnet? My bonnet is big as hell, and I don't care what nobody say. Everybody always trying to tease me about my bonnet, and I don't care. So I'm just gonna put the bonnet on. I'm gonna adjust it so that it is comfortable, because I do run my mouth a lot. I be talking on the phone or whatever. And then I'm gonna go to sleep. I am up and I look fabulous or whatever. You know, I done beat my face or whatever. I'm getting ready to get out of the house or whatever. So now I'm just going to take off my bonnet. I took off my scarf, and I'm going to start removing the flexi rods. And you don't want to pull. I kind of just twist the flexi rod until my hair just kind of falls off of it, if that makes any sense. And then I just run my fingers through just a little bit, and I just let it do its thing throughout the day, because I want my curls to hold all day long. So you guys, this is the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys were able to follow. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.